Hello, friends. Welcome to our tiny tree. I am Quintana. This is our favorite taste tester, Dan, and we are coming to you from our tiny tree instead of my tiny kitchen because 2020 has been a dumpster fire. And to top it all off, for the first time in my whole life, in Dan's whole life, we don't get to be with our family for the holidays, and that sucks. And I'm sure it's the same for all of you. So we just wanted to give you a little message and send you some love and cheer. And I hope that we've been able to do this in the short amount of time that I've been doing these recipes. We just want to send you love. We want to send you joy. And we hope you have a very safe and lovely holiday season with you and yours. Happy New Year. 2021 can't come soon enough. We love you guys.
Have a delicious holiday season.